Mukha ka bang laging puyat kahit hindi naman? Baka hindi na concealer ang sagot, baka skincare. Alam mo ba na ang dark circles ng ating eyes ay madalas dahil sa apat na sanhi? Number 1 is excess pigment, number 2 is numinipis na balat, number 3 is volume loss, and number 4, wrinkling. So number 1, excess pigment. So as Filipinos talaga, no, meron talagang genetically predisposed na mag-accumulate ng melanin or pigment in different parts of their body as a function of aging. So may mga individuals lang talaga na more at risk to accumulate pigments sa eye area. So yun, no? So especially pag nagkakaroon po tayo ng mga sun exposure, heat exposure, lalo pang mag-i-increase yung risk natin for getting pigmentation around our eyes. Number 2, numinipis na balat. So as we age again, no, it's really natural na magkaroon ng paninipis ang ating balat. Especially at risk po yung skin around the eyes, no. So pag numinipis po yung balat, mas makikita po yung color ng mga blood vessels underneath like this, no. So makikita nyo greenish, sometimes violaceous po yung color ng ating blood vessels. So if you have paninipis around this eye area, mas nakikita po yung mga color ng deeper tissues or mga structures underneath the skin, giving you that illusion na parang mas dark yung inyong under eye. Number 3 is volume loss. Again, as we age, nagkakaroon po tayo ng resorption or natutunaw po yung ating orbital bone or yung bone around our eyes, no? Because of that, nagkakaroon ng sunkenness or shallowness, and when the light hits your eye area, nagkakaroon ng shadowing underneath, making it appear na mas dark po yung inyong under eye. And number 4 is wrinkling. So again, with skin aging and exposure to heat and the sun, nagkakaroon po ng wrinkles ang ating skin, and usually wrinkled skin looks a bit darker compared to skin that is taut or tight. So, paano nakakatulong ang liposomal retinol? Number 1, it helps disperse the pigment. So, less clumped ang pigments, mas lighter appearing yung ating balat. Number 2, to address manipis na balat, retinol can actually build more collagen, no? Healthier collagen, para hindi masyadong visible yung mga structures underneath. Number 3, volume loss. You might need procedures for that, but at least since you have retinol, you're building collagen pa rin. Mas controlled yung nawawalang volume underneath your skin and tissue. And lastly, your liposomal retinol helps build up your collagen and elastin, thereby improving existing wrinkles and also preventing them in the future. For more skin tips that work, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye-bye!